I have lots to do. So I'm gonna finish drinking my coffee and watch some YouTube videos and start doing something, because I really need to start doing something. I just feel so overwhelmed. I don't even know where to start. Came from ironing my dress, as you can see back there, and it seems like I haven't ironed in years. Well, no, actually, yeah, I haven't ironed in years, so it's not the best it could be. Poor thing. All right, so I just started packing. Not just, but I've been putting away some stuff. Here I have my makeup items. Allegedly, I'm not taking a lot, but now that I look at it through the lens, I'm like, this is too much. But, you know, this is just the basic things that I'm planning to use for, because I'm not planning to do makeup every day. Maybe just for the night that we're going to go have dinner at the Contemporary. Other than that, I really don't plan on taking too much makeup. That's why I only have one foundation and then just like some concealers and just minor things. I'm not really taking that much. Anyways, so that's what I have here. These are my makeup brushes in here. I love this little bag right here. Came together from Sam's, and it's amazing. And there's another one, two more that I gave to my daughter. Well, I let her borrow one, and I gave her one. So, but yeah, it came with a bunch of stuff. So anyways, these are my brushes, and then here are some more items like lip items, eyeliners, another concealer, which let me just put that over here just in case. And then lipsticks and stuff, and sharpeners, just a bunch of things that I know that I'm going to be needing to do my look. Anyways, and then here are palettes. I'm just taking these two because these two are essential to create a look. And then this one, I love this one. Let me show you guys. This one from Tartiste, the Tartiste Pro Glow and Blush from Tarte. I love it. Look at that. It has basically a whole bunch of different blushes and a whole bunch of different, well, it just has the different blushes, and then this bronzer, and then a highlighter. And the highlighter is divine, but the lighting right now in here is quite bad, so you probably can't really tell. But yeah, so that's all I'm taking for makeup. And then here I feel like I'm still overpacking quite a bit, because keep in mind, we're only going for like 4 days. But I'd rather be prepared and have everything and have things just in case, instead of being there and running around like a chicken with its head cut off because I don't have what I need, if you know what I mean. I also love, so the same packing cubes that I'm using came with these, and it's like for shoes, so I have them here. It also came, like, this bag is where everything came in, and I find it so useful though, because it does have a zip, it's a zip bag. So I'm like, this is amazing. I'm going to just reuse it. And I have my bigger, bulkier tennis shoes. It's a mess. Oh, and then my backpack. I've also started with my backpack. I've already attached the little, because I know if I don't attach it now, I'm going to probably end up forgetting it right when we leave. So I've attached that little hand sanitizer, and I'm going to start seeing what can start going in here. So I feel like I haven't done any progress, but I have been packing, and I'm regretting having left this till last minute. Again, I feel like I'm doing it last minute, even though I'm technically 3 days away. So let me show you. I'm also watching The Little Mermaid as I'm doing this. But getting back to this, it's a hot mess. Like so much, but luggage is still the same. I haven't put the stuff in there. I'm still working on finalizing everything that needs to go in the makeup toiletry bag. And then this I need to put away. This is also, I had almost forgotten to put in my shampoo. I have my red shampoo. And then here is like the little traveling medicine cabinet. I have, unfortunately, unfortunately, I'm having to pack masks. So, because yeah, that's still going on. Just to be safe. And then here I have my little like Benadryl and then some Advil or ibuprofen. And then I have just basic necessities that one might need, like Alka-Seltzer. And then once you get to a certain age, you need your Tums or whatever they're called. And then just some ear cleaning Q-tips or whatever. I can't talk. These in case you get some calluses or corns. I don't know what are corns, by the way. Anyways, my headache pills. And then here is where I packed my bath salts for soaking my feet so that they get nice and rested. I'm hoping these don't pop open. Since this is more like my medicine and stuff, I'm taking this with me on my carry-on. But we'll see. So I'm going to put these masks, the extra masks, away. By the way, I got these on Amazon. And they do seem pretty good, pretty comfortable. And the elastic thing doesn't seem to break so easily. Oh, by the way, look at these Pop Century Melts that I got. I think it's been almost 2 years from Magic Candle Company. I love them. It reminds me of Pop Century, definitely. I still need to figure out how I'm going to take, I'm not taking all those ears because that's too many, but I still need to figure out how I'm going to transport. I'm not sure what to do. All right, gotta go. Oh, and before I forget, like, I have this little thing underneath that. This is so practical. It's for all my electronic things. So here I have like all my charging cables. For my other camera, I need to put in my extra battery. I'm gonna go do that, otherwise I'm gonna forget. This also for phone. This is my Fitbit, one of my Fitbit chargers. And then my memory card, and this Pelican memory card. I love this one. It keeps them nice and safe. I don't know if I've shown them to you, but so nice because then it has like the micro and then the regular ones, and it keeps them nice and protected. I also got my regular camera, and I put a little dead cat on it. Hopefully it helps with the wind. And I have extra ones here in case that one falls. And then in here, I think I just have some of the extra accessories for the Joby tripod, which I need to also remember to include that when I pack it. But that one's most likely going to go in my carry-on, in my backpack, which will be like my purse. This is what I'm going to be using. I have a poncho just in case. Our magic bands are in here. And then Kleenex. Let's see. Back here, I've already charged my external battery, which is a must. And I love that one, by the way. It does last a while. And it gives me several charges. And then I think I have... Oh, I put my mask. I took also a couple extra, but my mask that I'm going to wear before I get in the Uber. And let me go get my... Oh, and then the only other thing that I did add in my bag is deodorant and dry shampoo. My dog's toys, or my daughter's dog's toys, is charging my external battery, or my extra battery. This is for like a universal battery charger. So I got it at Best Buy, and it comes with different attachments in case, so that it fits one camera or another. I love it. And then I love these little pockets. I bought in case you're wondering, and I think I have it all linked into my favorite things on Amazon, my affiliate page. If you guys want to go use through the link, if you guys do, you guys support me a little bit. And sorry, I just realized that the video is playing in the background. If you do guys want to support me in our channel, you guys can just go shop on Amazon through our link. You don't get charged extra. It's the same prices, except Amazon gives us literally a couple cents maybe. But yeah, I love it. And it has all these like nice pockets and just a lot of space. Very roomy and very, very practical. That's where you could find this camera thing, and then it just zips up. And there you go. It's all ready to go. So let me continue. I feel like this is never ending, and then at the same time I feel like I haven't done anything. And I still haven't figured out how I'm gonna take my dress. It's a mess. I can't stand seeing all these things all over my room. It's driving me nuts. Oh my goodness. And I just saw that pink dust brush for nails, that one right there, and it made me think about how I still need to do my acrylic nails. Great. This is the status as of right now. I took away my dress. I gently folded it. Like, it's not really folded, it's just like very lightly put into here so that it doesn't crease. Hopefully. I know it will, but you know. Anyways, can you believe that all my outfits fit in this one packing cube? Amazing. I have literally all of my outfits. I'm having here like four or I think it's four bottoms, like for leggings or biker shorts, and then also like 5 or 6 shirts. Here are my tennis shoes, here are my undergarments, and then over here is my carry-on. I know, I feel like I'm taking way too much for the amount of days that we're gonna be there, but like I said before, I'd rather have everything that I think I might possibly need than get there and be like, I should have brought this. So anyways, on my carry-on, or in my carry-on, is gonna go the dress, and then I'm also gonna take the ears. So that's another reason why I'm also taking like a carry-on in that. I could technically, like, everything would fit in that one large luggage, but in this one is where I'm taking like all the things that are delicate or breakable. And you guys know, in all of the airlines, they just grab the bags and just throw them. And I don't want to run into the possibility of my things getting damaged. So in the carry-on, I'm taking this electronics little pouch, extra pair of sunglasses. This is like my little medicine cabinet on the go. And like I said, these are the ears that I'm planning to take. I couldn't find anything else but this little box to take them in. This box is where this last pair of ears came in. So I'm somewhat like, I don't want them to get damaged, so I'm trying to find a way to best fit them. This one will go somewhere in here. Hold on. It'll probably go in like that. And then my makeup thing will go in here maybe. But I'm not putting it in. This one will probably go in the bottom, like so. All of my makeup, and that way I'm carrying it. I know everything is in good condition. My dress will go right here on top since it's nice and light. Then all of my liquids, I like to put them here in this other, I love this suitcase set, by the way. I got it a while ago. It's from Samsonite, and I got it from Sam's at a great price, and I've used it on all my travels and they've been so good so far. But I'm gonna stick that in there, and I like it in this pouch because it's easy access for me to just take it out when we're going through check-in or security. Just take it out, easy access right there. Watching The Office in the meantime. Wash our Brita bottles, get them ready. Hope I don't forget, because I'll be sticking that one of those, the other one is my daughter's, one of those will go in here. Anyways, so it's looking a little bit better. Oh, so since I've already given you an update on me, I figured you guys would be bored and not want to just see me. This is her update. She also has a disheveled room because everything.
Feels like I'm packing for a month.
I know, like, she's also packing, but okay, hers is understandable because this is like hers, and then her carry-on, whatever, and then Russell has his own little bag. That's his tuxedo that I don't think I ever showed you, so I can't wait till you guys see it, right? On him?
Wait. Yeah, because yeah.
He's gonna wear it where?
To the contemporary thing?
These are the earrings my daughter makes, in case anybody wants to buy some. She has created these. She also has her little Instagram.
My jewelry line.
Yeah. Look at these. These are cute. These are nerds inspired, and these are really cute. Look, there's Russell. Okay, question.
What?
Do you want to know now, or do you want to know there?
No, what?
Just answer that.
I guess I don't really care either.
So you'll wait there.
No, because then it'll just drive me crazy.
It's up to you. You can either figure that out now, find out now, or find out there.
I just love you. Tell me.
Do you know where we're staying, right?
The one with all the characters.
They all have all the characters.
This isn't the All Stars something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All Stars what?
Movies Resort? I'm not sure the name. All Stars.
Yeah, movies.
Yeah, Movie Resort.
Yeah, All Star Movies. Yeah. Where do you want to stay?
I don't know the rooms. The closest one.
What hotel?
I don't know which one it is. Like, I didn't know that there were several. The preferred room, I guess, because, it's closer.
No. I'm not telling you what location in that hotel.
The whole thing is the hotel. I don't know which one.
Which hotel do you want to stay?
Pop Century.
So let's stay at Pop Century.
How do you mean? So, like, you can just switch it just like that?
We're staying at Pop Century.
Were we ever staying at all the movies?
Yes.
That's what happened.
I changed it.
Oh, nice. Is it the same like the one last time?
Yeah, they all are the same.
Nice. Really left?
I couldn't wait. I should have waited to just show you
because
there.
now I know where I'm gonna expect to stay, and it's like,
I wanted to hold off and tell you until we were at the airport.
I'm gonna take pictures with Russell with the Dalmatians.
Oh, okay. So you are happy?
Yes, I want to go there.
Okay, because
then it's like right. Okay, first off, Pop Century has its the lifts. It's right next to the Art of Animation, so if you ever want to have a dinner or a breakfast there, we can just walk right over.
Yeah.
I kind of just really like it,
And now it has a Skyliner.
Yeah, see? So it's like, it has connections everywhere. Nice.
Yeah. Surprise.
How long did you know?
Weeks.
Oh.
Or like a month
You
ago.
held the
Or
phone
two.
out.
Since at least a month.
I like it.
Yeah.